Hi, I'm Nate from A&I Products. Do you have an air cart with corrosion problems? We recently expanded our portfolio to include stainless steel air seeder parts for John Deere air carts. Right here we have the Air Seeder Parts LLC Boss 2.0 meter housing assembly. This is available for hydraulic and ground-driven applications with and without section control. This features a single wall design. Does not allow fertilizer dust to accumulate in an air cavity. No air cavity means no swelling or distortion. These units are washable with a clean out at the bottom, and they require no foam, are maintenance free, and have no need to grease. This design is patent pending, has individual row shutoffs with both manually and automatically operated slide gates. These are made in the USA with a 1-year warranty. We also offer tubes and several other components to upgrade your air seeder. For more information, see your local A&I Products reseller or visit us at aiproducts.com.